Drain Cleaning Brush. Household Sewer Hair Catcher. This flexible brush reaches deep into drains to remove hair, soap scum, and other debris causing clogs. Regularly cleaning your drains with this brush helps prevent future clogs and costly plumbing problems. Suitable for cleaning bathroom and kitchen sinks, bathtubs, showers, and floor drains. The bendable design easily navigates through pipes and reaches tight corners. Simply insert the brush into the drain and rotate to remove clogs. This durable brush can be used multiple times, reducing waste compared to chemical drain cleaners. Save money on plumbers by tackling minor clogs yourself with this affordable brush.